Hi there everyone, my name's Andy Price. I'm a teacher and lead on EdTech and innovation here at the Royal Grammar School, Guildford, Dubai in the United Arab Emirates. And I'm also a Seesaw certified educator. Today I'm going to show you how we use Seesaw AI tools to quickly assess reading fluency and identify vocabulary gaps, all in under 5 minutes. Okay, so firstly, open up the assess reading fluency, and then we add a piece of text from the text that we are reading in the class that week. This is a piece from our tutor text that we share with the children. Seesaw AI generates this immediately and gives us a passage for the children to record and read, and then also gives us comprehension questions as well. Now, what's really helpful is because the children haven't seen the text before, I get immediate analysis of what vocabulary they do not understand and they may need to understand during the session. This activity is assigned to any group that you like. And okay, let's have a look at some of the results. You can see how quickly the children are reading because it gives a word per minute count. And also, more importantly, gives the words that the children are not familiar with. Okay, so I can see from the class here, some of the words that they are really struggling with are watchman, thatched, and cobbled. Of course, I can go over them before we go into the text, so there's further understanding. Really simple, really quick. It's a great addition to Seesaw. Give it a go. Seesaw AI is truly fantastic.